What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 is not turning on. So to fix this issue, first of all plug in your charger for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it will show a logo on the screen, and when you will see a logo on your screen, then you can release your finger, and after that your phone will be turned on. And to fix this issue, open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software version, and from here check for the available update. So if you have any available update, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone to the latest version, the screen won't turn on issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix if your Redmi 13 is not turning on. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.